Hello friends, hope you all are fine. If you're finding a best opportunity to earn, this video can help you. Today I'm talking about the best opportunity. So friends, today I'm talking about a platform. With this platform, you can join and start your earnings. So talk about this platform today. I'm talking about Aspire Investment. Yes friend, Aspire Investment. With Aspire Investment, you can start a earning journey. You can earn a handsome income from here. Talk about Aspire Investment. Welcome to Aspire Investment Marketing Concept by Congratulations for taking a right decision in your life. It is going to create a history in the network marketing business. Aspire Investment is best experienced people community where they can social platform and gives best opportunity to you and your career. You can everything you want in your life. Talk about the mission and vision of the company. The mission and vision is the company wants to give you a long-term income. The mission and vision is to connect people around the world with one another and empower the life of million individuals by providing financial help. Everyone deserves a better life and they should with Aspire Investment. It's here to ensure with a unique binary matrix program. Talk about the benefits. It's no hassle on depending on third party as we use decentralized blockchain transaction technology. Want to serve people with its facts and secure platform. Send instant payment and get confirmation within the blink of eyes. Talk about our awesome services. It's 100% safe and secure. It consistently best team, high profitability, 100% decentralized. There are no admin, no owner, no one can hack this. Talk about the business plan. Here you will get gold plan and main table too. Talk about the gold plan. You can start with only $10. You can start with only Magic Pool 1 with $10. In this slide, you can see the Magic Pool 1 and Magic Pool 2. In the Magic Pool 1, you can see if you have 2 members in your downline, they top up with $10 and total amount will be $20. Re-entry will for 1 and you will get profit of $10. In Magic Pool 2, you can see if you have 2-member team, they top up with $20, total amount will be $40 and re-entry goes for 1 and your profit will $20. Talk about the Magic Pool 3 and Magic Pool 4. In Magic Pool 3, you can see if you have 2-member team, they top up with $50, total amount will be $100, re-entry will be 1 and your profit will $50. In Magic Pool 4, same way, you can see if you have 2-member team, the top up amount will $100 and total amount will $200, re-entry 1 and profit you will get $100. In same way, you can see in Magic Pool 5 your profit will $200. In Magic Pool 6 your profit will $500. In Magic Pool 7 your profit will $1000. In Magic Pool 8 your profit will $2000. In Magic Pool 9 your profit will $5000. In Magic Pool 10 your profit will $10,000. In Magic Pool 11 your profit will $20,000. In Magic Pool 12 your profit will $50,000. Now talk about the main table 2. You can see you can start with only $50. If you start with $50, you can see you will get ROI of 1% daily 5 days in a week. Talk about the direct income, you can see you will get 1% daily ROI 5 days in a week. Talk about the withdrawal. Include all income, you can withdraw $150. No direct referral is compulsory for withdrawal. After $150 withdrawal top up is compulsory, 20% will be deducted for all withdrawal to distribute equally in 10th level. Talk about the team withdrawal income main table 2. You can see there are 10 level. In first level, if you have 3 partners in your downline, you will get $9 and in INR it will be $720. One direct record. In second level, you can see if you have 9 partners in your downline, you will get $27 and 1 direct and 2 direct records. In third level, you can see if you have 27 members in your downline, you will get $81 and 3 direct records. In fourth level, you can see if you had 81 partner, you will get $243 and 4 direct is required. In fifth level, you can see 243 members, you will get $729, 5 direct records. With 729 members, you will get $2,187, 6 direct records. In 7th level, you can see with 2,187 members, you will get $6,561, 7 direct records. In 8th level, you can see with 6,561 members, you will get $19,683, 8 direct records. In 9th level, you can see with 19,683 members, you will get $59,049, 9 direct record. In 10th level, you can see 59,049 members, you will get $1,77,147, 10 direct is required. 10 direct is required. Talk about per day direct income, you can see if you direct 5 referrals, you will get $0.5 per day and your total income will $2.5. In INR, you can see it will be 200 rupees. If you direct 10 members, you will get $5. If you direct 20 members, you will get $10. If you direct 50 members, you will get $25. If you direct 100 members, you will get $50. If you direct 200 members, you will get $100. If you direct 500 members, you will get $250. talk about the ID activation. For gold plan, the ID activation amount is $10. For main table 2, the ID activation amount is $50. Now talk about the terms and conditions. Main table 2, for main table 2, you can see after $150 withdrawal top up is compulsory, 20% will be deducted for all withdrawal for distribution equally 10th level. Withdrawal auto withdrawal is here. Your minimum withdrawal is 25 and maximum is unlimited 24x7. You will get withdrawal 5% admin charge and the deduction will be every withdrawal, but minimum $10 you can transfer in your cash wallet. You can see our features. It is high secure benefits. You can get many paid mission and design is very strong. You will get no chance, no risks, no honor, no admin. So friends, join first, start earning. This is the best opportunity to earn. With Aspire investment, you can fulfill all. So friends, don't miss this opportunity. Join first, Aspire investment and start your earning journey. Thank you. You will get a link in the description. Click the link and join. You will get also phone number. You can call there and get more information. Thank you, Aspire investment. Join first, start earning.